my fashionistas or my fashion me followers. My name is Crystal. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy that you clicked here today, and if you're new, welcome. I'm so excited that you're in the fashion me community, and let's get started. Once again, I would just like to thank Shannon Smith, social media director and community manager of Nature's Protein and the Coconut Restore line, as I have mentioned. And this is by nowhere means a sponsored video, but I was giving these products a disclaimer and for free, but that by no means changed the way that I think or review these products. However, this is my first impression. I am using this product on day 2 hair. So once again, thank you Nature's Protein, thank you Shannon, and let's get started. So today I wanted to talk about and touch base with this nice little gift I received from Nature's Protein, Coconut Restore. Isn't it just amazing? Yes, I can't wait to show you guys what I have to share with these products and my first impression. This is actually my what I would say day 2 hair with the Coconut Restore line and using Nature's Protein products. So let's not get too into depth on these intro and get right to it all over again. So let's go into the Coconut Restore line hair softening tonic, which is a cashmere hair softening tonic. I don't know what that means, but I guess it's aiming to, you know, soften your hair as much as the texture of cashmere, which I get it now. Okay, so this is all from Nature's Protein. I just can't get over how amazing they are. So let me share my love for these products with you, all of you. So let's get started. We're going to start out with how I use these products and on a daily basis or when I'm curling my hair. So we got the Coconut Restore Cashmere Hair Softening Tonic with the prime ingredients of coconut. As you guys have already known or seen the trend, it's not only because it's trending, but coconut oil is definitely one of the ways of enhancing your overall hair growth, vitality, nutrients, and just keeping the overall health of your hair. So let me stop blabbering. This is sulfate and paraben free, artificial dyes, petroleum or petroleum, I don't know how to pronounce that, and mineral oils. The key ingredients, as I mentioned previously, is extra virgin coconut oil, which increases natural shine and moisture, as well as hair growth, and white peony extract. I have no idea what that is, but it sounds good, and provides soothing sensation to the scalp. And this is really true, guys. When I first used this product, which this is day 2 hair, I used it yesterday, I did feel a change in my curls. Like I felt them more defined, I felt them softer, I felt that the product intake was a lot easier to retain than normal, which is not really an issue for my hair, but maybe with those who suffer from hair porosity. If you guys haven't seen my little video previously, go and check that out, where I mentioned a little bit about hair porosity for another hair care line, which is also amazing. No competition, guys, we all have room in here, being honest here. So este tónico, for my Spanish people, es para suavidad capilar de Cashmere. El propósito de este tratamiento o este producto en particular es para hacer el cabello que se sienta más suave, para que los productos se retengan, para que se retengan mejor y nada más para sobreproveer. No sé si estoy diciendo la palabra correctamente, no soy profesional en español tampoco, pero we're gonna do this bilingual, guys. Es esencialmente para producir el mejor efecto en su cabello y en el estado de si está saludable o no. Pero I love this product, lo amo. This is a universal thing that is good. So I use this first when I'm going to diffuse my hair. And I've never used a softening tonic or a spray of this kind for my hair curling process. I usually go straight into the lock method, leave-in oil conditioner or sealing agent, gel, whatsoever. But this has changed the game, guys. You got to go get it. It smells so good. Next, we have the Coconut Restore Triple Butter Curl Moisture Cream. You guys know how I feel about the curl moisture cream. So let me reiterate, the hair softening tonic, Cashmere hair softening tonic, comes in the 8-ounce packaging, which is pretty plentiful. And the Coral Moisture Cream also comes in 8-ounce packaging. Now, this is a sufficient amount. I won't say that it's small, but compared to Africa's Best Hair Care line, it was 15-ounce. But you know, every company and product is different. So I do feel that I used a handful of this and it's still pretty replenished. There's still a lot there. It seems as I haven't even used anything. It's so soft. It smells so good. This is like the kind of texture that it has. Very soft, creamy, lightweight. It's easy absorbable to your hair. I'm sorry, I hate wasting product. I don't know about you YouTubers or bloggers, but when I'm filming a video, I just hate that I waste product. But then at the same time, you know what I feel? I'm showing you guys how amazing these products are, that I'm using them again and I'm hitting pan with them. So I'm also planning of doing a hitting pan video. But once again, I'm blabber. So basically, the directions for this curl butter cream, it's also sulfate, paraben, artificial, petroleum, mineral oil free, so very healthy for your hair. Good. For my Spanish people, es una crema de hidratación con triple mantequilla para rizos, que es súper esencial para cuando uno quiere que sus rizos se vean definidos, que se vean con volumen, que se vean saludables y que se vean chic, que se vean lindos. Ustedes saben cómo va, like, you know how it goes. You want your curls on fleek. Que se vean sus rizos como salió de Maybelline, salió de Garnier, salió de Diva Curl, salió de Coconut Restore, salió de Africa Best Hair Care. It came out of Carol's Daughter. Like, you want to look like you came out of a magazine, okay? These are the products. I'm not into. Oh my god, it smells so good. It's even orgasmic. Sorry how good it smells. I can't even talk. It's just amazing. I love this. So step 1 in curling diffusing process. Step 2, this is a butter blend of cocoa butter, mango butter, shea butter with coconut oil that will give your curly or textured hair moisture, definition, and control. Hydrates hair to prevent breakage and damage during styling. Great for twists, braids, and curly hairstyles, which I couldn't agree more. I haven't done other hairstyles besides curling it and putting it into a bun. This is more of my first or second impression with these products, and I feel that I have to be essentially honest. But by being essentially honest, using it thus far on my day 2 hair, I love it. I love these products, and not because they sent them to me for free, but because, hey, they work and it feels like your hair can feel the difference. I was almost feeling like I needed a haircut because the problem with my hair is really growing out now, and I'm kind of losing my layers, and I kind of like to have layers to frame my face just so that I don't look like a potato since I have an oval face. But when I use these products and I diffuse my hair versus letting it air dry, I saw the shrinkage happen, which is essentially what I want, because that would give me like the extra volume to my hair. So yeah, I love them. I love these mixed together. And then you're missing one more. Wait, there's more. Last but not least, here is the hair curl mousse, and appropriately and formally known as Coconut Restore's line for the coconut cocktail curl mousse. And guys, I was scared to death to use this, okay? Shannon Christmas, I was really scared. And anyone who represents the Nature's Protein line, because I have not used Mousse in a really long time. But what I love about this mousse, besides it being sulfate, paraben free, and all that other bad stuff not included into it, it's a foam consistency. Look at that, guys. Now, I love it. It's like a nice, it reminds me of paradise, like a pina colada or something. It's just so nice. So it's really nice and airy, as you can see. And it just, let me do a little test. I don't know if this is smart of me to do right now. We're gonna try and figure it out. You see how it just defines my hair right away? This is real live action, guys. This is no editing going on. This is me just wiping that little bit of product that I had on my hand to reinforce into my hair. Now, as you see, like when you want to preserve your curls, you don't have to literally pick each one and like tangle them out, because then that's gonna create more frizz onto your unruly curls. So what you want to do is just like do a rake method of using the product, but not going right in between the strands, but over the strands and underneath the strands with the product, and just merging it in. And look at how much better. I should have done this before starting the video, but hey, now you guys get to see a little demo of what the products look like. And if you guys would like, I will do an actual tutorial and real life demo of how I styled my hair with these products. But as you can tell, I use this one to end it as my, I should give it another method's name, because now this is Hair Softening Tonic Process 1, Coconut Restore Cream, Curl Butter Cream, Step 2, and then Step 3, Coconut Restore Lines, Coconut Cocktail Curl Mousse. That's my last step. And then they did not send me an oil, but they do have oils, and I could have been, you know, less cheap and bought one. But since I want to be honest and show you guys exactly what I got, and I'm kind of a college broke student right now, so you know, it is what it is. Essentially, I love these products. I ended off the Coconut Curl Mousse says that it's non-aerosol styling mousse. I don't know if I'm saying that right. That is great for waves and soft curls. So it's essentially saying that you're not gonna get those luscious curls that you want, like big curls, but it depends on what your curl hair type is, since it ranges from like 4 different levels, and from that it has other sub levels like 1A, 1B, 1C, 2A, 2B, 2C. And if you guys don't know about that, maybe I can do a video upon it. But anywho, it is a non-sticky formula that works on hair to seal and protect hair from moisture and frizz. And that is not what a lot of curl mousse do, or mousses at all for that nature. They like say they're supposed to, but at the end of the day, when you take that off, your hair feels like it's been fried and burned and just doesn't feel nutritious. With this, my hair is soft. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at that bounce. It's just, woo. Look at that, look at that. Woo. I love it. If I could marry these products, I would. And if you don't have them in your house right now and you have curly hair, then you're doing a really big mistake with your life. Like, you need to have these products in your life. Like, you do. I'm not lying. Go and get them. Stop watching this video. Go and order them online, in the store, or wherever you can find them. But I will leave you a link down below. And I just want to say thank you to Nature's Protein for providing me and sending me these amazing products. And Shannon for just reaching out to me and being so kind and just, you know, believing in me. Thank you. I love these products, and I hope that you guys will too. I would love to hear your feedback and what your thoughts are on the products, and comment down below any questions, statements, or things you might like to hear or watch. And I hope that you guys take care, be healthy mentally, physically, all around, emotionally. And word of motivation, don't give up. The word impossible has I'm possible, or just possible. We gotta be out Optimistic. Yes, optimistic. Woo. Anyway, thank you for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, show some love, and I hope to see you again. Bye now. Protein, thanks on behalf of, I should have probably checked this before starting the video. I'm a mess. Good, you know. So I'm very happy with these 3 products. Guys, how I'm feeling about life. That was so nice to send me these products. So thank you, Shannon. Shout out to you and Nature's Protein for sending me. Something scary. Alright, so first and foremost, let's see what we got in this goodie. We got the Coconut Restore Triple Butter Curl Moisture Cream, and it's free from sulfate, parabens, and artificial dyes. Also free from petroleum. I didn't even know that was a bad thing, which sounds like it, and mineral oil. My first step, actually no, as my second step. So let's go into steps. This is the coconut. Oh wait, scratch that. Start all over again. Okay, guys, we're back and at it, or at it, whatever. I really don't know how to act because I like this nose ring better. Let's try the third one. Okay, stop. Second one. I'm currently filming my Coconut Restore line video, so stay tuned for when that video will be up on YouTube. And if you don't follow me already on Instagram,